Hello, Dragonflies. It's time for another story with Mr. Madsen. Today I'm reading Stick and Stone by Beth, Ferry, and Tom Lichtenheld. Stick and Stone. Stick, stone, lonely, alone. A 0, a 1, alone is no fun. Stick, stone, along comes Pinecone, makes fun of Stone. Won't leave him alone. Vanish, says Stick, his word does the trick. Stone whispers, gee, you stuck up for me. That's what sticks do. Friends do it too. Stick, stone, no longer alone. Stick, stone, a friendship has grown. They wander, explore. Then thunder and rain. Boom! A loud hurricane. Stick is wind blown. There goes Pinecone. Hold on, calls out Stone. Again, he's alone. Search day, stick, stick, stick. And search night, no stick in sight. What's this? A huge puddle. Stick, stuck in the muddle. Help! Stone rescues him quick. Cowabunga! Kersploosh! You rock, Stone, says Stick. That's just what stones do. Best friendships rock too. Stick, stone, together again. Stick, stone, a perfect 10. To the end. Sorry I needled you so much.